So it's time for us to clean up the numbers on our door in our home. So I decided to just Google how to clean brass with ordinary home items. So here's what I got. Worcestershire sauce. And here we go. Hold on. Start off by taking some of the sauce and pouring it into a separate container. Then you want to take a cloth, dip it into the sauce, and start to gently rub on the brass. As you start to apply a little bit of pressure, you will see that the brass starts to become very, very bright and clean. For the sake of time, we're going to go ahead and keep the video sped up until we get to our final results. They're going to be amazing. So here are the final results, and the numbers look fantastic. A very simple, easy thing to do with a product you can find right in your pantry.